PlayStation Portal Remote Player. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here is a complete product analysis of the PlayStation Portal Remote Player, examining it across features, performance, ease of use, and value for money. Features. Remote play device only. The PlayStation Portal is designed exclusively to stream games from your PS5 over Wi-Fi. It is not a standalone gaming console. 8-inch Full HD LCD screen. A sharp 1080p screen at 60 Hz offers a solid visual experience. Larger than most handhelds. DualSense controller integration. It has built-in DualSense functionality with adaptive triggers and haptic feedback, bringing a true PS5 controller experience on the go. Wi-Fi streaming, no Bluetooth, connects to your PS5 via Wi-Fi for remote play. Bluetooth is not supported, but it uses PlayStation Link for wireless audio. PlayStation Link support works with the Pulse Explore earbuds and Pulse Elite headset, sold separately for low-latency wireless audio. No local app support, doesn't support cloud gaming or apps like Netflix or YouTube, strictly for remote PS5 gameplay. USB-C charging and 3.5mm audio jack, offers convenient charging and wired audio options. Performance. Smooth streaming with good Wi-Fi. On strong and stable networks, 5 GHz recommended. Streaming is impressively responsive with minimal input lag. Low latency DualSense experience. The adaptive triggers and haptics feel authentic and responsive, mirroring the PS5 controller well. Performance drops on weak networks. Any network instability quickly affects image quality and input lag, so a strong connection is crucial. Limited to PS5 games, you must have a PS5 turned on and connected. No PS4, cloud, or native apps are supported. No local game playback. Without the PS5 nearby or turned on, the device is unusable, even for single-player games. Simple setup. Pairing with your PS5 is straightforward via QR code and PSN login. Instant wake and resume. Like the PS5, it resumes instantly with your last session intact if the PS5 is on or in rest mode. Comfortable design. Feels like holding a DualSense with a screen in between. Comfortable for long sessions. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Much lighter than carrying a full console or even a Steam Deck. No app ecosystem. Lack of apps or multitasking. No browser, YouTube, etc. Limits utility beyond gaming. Value for money. Price tag, around $199 USD, €219, more affordable than a Steam Deck or Nintendo Switch, but less capable. Great for PS5 owners who travel, ideal for households with one TV or for gaming in bed, hotel, or other rooms. Niche use case, only valuable if you have a PS5 and good Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it's essentially a $200 screen. Lacks flexibility. Compared to other handhelds, Switch, Steam Deck, ROG Ally, it offers no native gaming or cloud options. Better value if already in PlayStation ecosystem, especially if you already use Pulse Explore or Pulse Elite accessories. Summary verdict. The PlayStation Portal Remote Player is a niche but impressive tool for PlayStation enthusiasts. Its excellent DualSense experience and gorgeous screen make PS5 remote play a joy when conditions are ideal. However, it is not for everyone. If you want a handheld for gaming without relying on your console or want more app functionality, you'll find it limiting. For the right user, though, it's a sleek, high-quality bridge between convenience and console-quality gameplay. Remember, click and buy. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description.